Welcome everyone to this Arduino tutorial. If you are super tired of logging into your computer, you make mistakes and have to re-enter your password many times, and even sometimes you block your account, I got exactly what you are looking for. So let's get started. Now, let me make this clear. It could be a laptop from your work or a personal one. And of course, you are in a situation that you are forced to have a password, like it happens in your work laptop, for example. For this simple project, you will only need this Arduino Leonardo micro module, a USB cable for connecting into your computer, and a button. So basically the idea is to send with this microprocessor all the characters, numbers, letter, or special characters from your password to the computer, as if the device were another keyboard. And we are going to do that with this interesting library. For cutting things short, this library emulates the key press of a keyboard, sending the signals of each key through the USB as the keyboard does. This library has many interesting features that you may want to explore. You will find the link down below on the description of the video. So what we are going to do is to code the necessary lines to first, make sure that the cap locks are disabled in order to assure that the characters will be in lower case. Send arrow up click event with a delay to trigger the transition to the screen with the password field. Apply certain delay to wait for the transition to be complete. This time may vary in your laptop, you will have to find the right combination. For me, this combination worked as a charm. Next line, we send the password as simple as this. Another delay, and then we send the return key and release in order to activate the login. All these actions will be wrapped by a well-known Arduino loop that will be looping until the button press is detected. This pin button will be attached in the pin 3. This is for take advantage of the position of the pin and the ground pin, and solder the button in this precise spot. Very important, note that the button has no resistor attached. This can be achieved by this configuration, and we are ready. Now, you may think that this method is not quite secure, since anyone can access it, and you will be totally right. This is an initial step, and of course, what I thought for logging in a secure environment like your home. But if you feel like you're ready to complicate your life a little bit more, I will show you in the next video how to improve this login method by adding security without putting aside the comfort. See you all in the next tutorial.